All right, got the list. Operation Weekly Restock is a go. You got the cart?
I have secured the vehicle. It's got a bit of a shimmy, but I think it adds character. First stop?
Produce. We need the usual onions, garlic, bell peppers for the stir fry, and avocados for everything. Let's start with the leafy greens. I want to make that big salad for lunches this week.
They navigate towards the produce section, a vibrant oasis of color and fresh, earthy smells. Okay, spinach or a spring mix? The spring mix looks fancier.
Spinach is more versatile. We can wilt it into the pasta sauce on Thursday too. Let's get the big bag.
She picks up a large, crinkly bag of spinach and places it in the cart. Now, avocados, the most stressful purchase of the week.
Leo already by the avocado pile, gently pressing them.
It's a dark art picking a good one. This one feels like a rock. This one feels like it saw the dawn of time.
Let me see. You want it to yield to firm, gentle pressure, but not feel mushy. See, like this. This one will be perfect for tomorrow morning. This other one needs a day or two. Perfect for taco night on Wednesday.
You're an avocado whisperer. He grabs a bunch of bananas. Are these too green?
A little. That's fine. They'll be perfect by Tuesday. Grab a red onion and two of those nice, firm bell peppers. One red, one yellow. The color makes the stir fry look more appetizing.
They gather the vegetables. Leo spots a display of exotic mushrooms. Ooh, hold on. Look at these shiitake mushrooms. They'd be amazing in that stir fry. Way better than the standard white button ones.
They aren't on the list, Leo, and they're twice the price.
But think of the flavor. It elevates the whole dish from weeknight meal to culinary experience. Come on, we can skip the pre-made garlic bread later to make up for it.
Fine, you drive a hard bargain, but you're on chopping duty for them. They go in the cart.
They move past the produce and towards the bakery and deli section. The smell of baking bread is intoxicating. Okay, now that is just unfair. They're baking the rosemary and sea salt focaccia. We have to get a piece of that. Imagine it dipped in olive oil.
That does sound good. All right, add it to the cart. The list is more of a strong suggestion at this point, isn't it? While you're there, can you go to the deli counter and get a half-pound of oven-roasted turkey? Sliced, pretty thin, but not shaved. Number 4 on the machine. I'll grab the hummus.
Leo heads to the deli counter while Clara goes to a refrigerated case. Deli worker, cheerfully. Next, number 4. What can I get you for today? Hi there, could I get a half-pound of the oven-roasted turkey, please? Sliced pretty thin, but not shaved.
That's what I said. You got it. For sandwiches?
Yep, exactly. Deli worker, expertly operating the slicer. Perfect. Anything else for you? A little provolone to go with it? Oh, that's tempting, but I better not. My wife is the minister of the budget. Just the turkey will be great. Thanks. He rejoins Clara, who has 2 tubs of hummus in her hand.
Regular or roasted red pepper? I can't decide.
Let's live a little, red pepper. We got the fancy mushrooms, let's get the fancy hummus. They place the items in the cart and head into the main aisles.
Okay, focus. Aisle 5. We need pasta, pasta sauce, and olive oil.
Right. The store brand sauce is on sale 2 for $5, but the jar of Rayo's is staring at me. It's calling my name. Leo, I'm made with better tomatoes.
It's also $10 a jar, you goof. We have a perfectly good jar at home. We just need a backup. Let's get the store brand, but we'll splurge on the good olive oil, the extra virgin cold pressed kind. That makes a real difference.
A fair compromise. He grabs the olive oil and a box of whole wheat penne. Done. Next.
Cereal and coffee, aisle 8. And please, let's not get distracted by the wall of sugary kid cereal.
Muttering playfully, but the captain has been waiting for me. In aisle 8, Leo heads for the coffee while Clara inspects the cereal.
Honey Nut Cheerios or the store brand Honey O's. The store brand is $2 cheaper.
Honey Cheerios. The store-brand ones get soggy too fast. It's a textural integrity issue. Now the real question, dark roast or the breakfast blend?
Let's get the dark roast. We both need the extra kick in the morning. Okay, quick detour. Aisle 12, paper towels, dish soap, and don't let me forget cat food for General Fluffington.
Ah, the Isle of Domestic Reality. Less exciting than the cheese wall.
But necessary. Do we need sponges? Check under the sink in your mind.
The sponge situation is dire. They're looking sad. Let's get a new pack.
Good man. Now, the big bag of Mio Mix. Wait, look, it's on sale if you buy two.
Do we have room to store a second giant bag of cat food?
I'll make room. A deal's a deal. This is responsible saving. Unlike some purchases today, you give the jalapeno chips a pointed look.
They moved to the dairy and frozen sections, following the original conversation about milk, eggs, yogurt, and the impromptu decision to make mac and cheese. They also grabbed the emergency pizza. Finally, they head towards the checkout lanes. Look at this haul. We're like master hunter-gatherers. We have provided for our tribe.
Our tribe of 2 people and 1 very demanding cat. Okay, let's find the shortest line. That one with the single person looks good. Oh no, they have a mountain of coupons. Let's go to lane 4.
Out the checkout, they begin unloading the cart onto the conveyor belt.
Okay, cold stuff together. Put the bread and eggs at the end so they don't get squashed.
I am a master of conveyor belt Tetris. Watch and learn. The focaccia is the VIP. It gets its own space. Cashier, smiling. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
We did, and then some. Thank you.
The cashier starts scanning, the beeps creating a steady rhythm. Clara watches the screen as the total climbs.
Okay, the mushrooms, the fancy chips, and the Gruyere are definitely making their presence known.
Think of it as an investment in deliciousness. Cashier, your total is $187.45. Will you be using your reusable bags today?
We're in the car. We always forget to bring them in.
It's the curse of the reusable bag. It's fine. We'll take paper today, please. Double bag the milk if you don't mind. No problem at all. They start bagging the groceries. Leo puts the cold stuff together. Clara carefully bags the bread and produce.
Wait. Stop everything.
What? Did I put the avocados next to the canned goods? Is this a bagging foul?
No. The cat food. We talked about the cat food. We decided to buy 2 bags on sale, but I never actually put it in the cart. I got distracted by the sponges.
Oh, General Fluffington would never forgive us. The silent judgment, the glares. I'll run and grab it. Aisle 12, 2 bags of the Meow Mix. Don't finish without me. Leo dashes off, weaving through other shoppers. Clara and the cashiers share a knowing smile. He returns a minute later, slightly out of breath, clutching 2 large bags of cat food. Leo placing them on the counter. Mission accomplished. The general's rations have been secured. The cashier adds them to the total. Clara pays with her card.
Okay, now we're really done.
They push the heavily laden cart towards the exit. Now for the final challenge, fitting all of this into the car.
Teamwork, my friends. We need a solid foundation of cans and jars, then dairy, then the fragile stuff on top.
And the focaccia rides up front with me for its own safety.
Of course, for its safety. Let's go home. I think we've earned a cup of that new dark roast coffee.
Absolutely. And maybe just a tiny piece of that rosemary and focaccia to go with it. You know, just to make sure it's not poisoned.
You are impossible. Let's do it.